stay-at-home mom, a recent graduate, or just somebody that is looking to have an extra income the remainder of this 2024, then I have come to you with incredible news. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 side hustles that you can start the remainder of this 2024 that is going to fetch you a lot of money. And when I come to tell you about side hustle, I do not mean Ponzi scheme or anything. I mean skills that you can learn the remainder of this 2024, or that is going to help you to achieve your goals you have already for 2025. So if that sounds like what you're here for, don't forget to hit the like button. First side hustle I'm going to be sharing is coaching or tutoring. I know a lot of people are sleeping on this skill, because if you know something, you can actually earn a lot of money by teaching people. There are a lot of people that you think they know what you know, but they actually don't. So imagine you knowing how to bake, or you know how to make hair. I see a lot of tutorials now on TikTok, and people go live and make lots of money from people gifting them. Apart from that, I see a lot of people have like a dedicated page, like a YouTube channel for them to tutor or teach people. They coach people. People pay for their one-on-one mentorship. People buy their courses because people are willing to learn what you know. If people see that you're actually good at something, people do not mind the price they want to pay you, as long as you are good at what you are talking about. People are willing to pay you for that. So if you're somebody that you know that you're incredibly good at something, you can actually coach or tutor. And also there are websites that you can actually go and register on that allows you to coach people. If you want me to talk about those websites, then I can make a dedicated video about that. But there are a lot of websites that you can just teach people whatever. It can even be academics that you're good at. We see like physics teachers online, math teachers online. Coaching or tutoring people is actually an incredible side hustle that I do not see a lot of people taking advantage of. Maybe because you think, oh my god, I cannot actually stand in front of a camera. Girl, why are you sleeping on money? 2025 is all about making that bag. So if you know that you are good at something, you better start right about now, immediately you are done watching this video. So the second one I want to talk about is starting an e-commerce business. I know a lot of people say, oh, e-commerce is so saturated, everybody's selling something online. Yes, everybody's selling something online, but people stop buying? No. As long as they are selling what people need, people will always buy. In my opinion, there are a lot of things that people are now actually very interested in now. I'll say skincare, I'll say hair care. For example, now I posted a video on TikTok recently, and it was about a hair care product that I used for my edges, and I posted this hair care product that actually helps to grow your edges, and a lot of people were in my DM, oh, how much did you get it? Where can I buy it? And I'm like, imagine if I was the one selling this product. Do you know how much I would have made just from that? Like, a lot of people are not interested in growing their hair. For example, now I cannot tell you how much I have spent on hair care this year, because I'm just like, girl, I want to grow my hair, and I see a lot of hair growth oil. You can even do the DIY. I see a lot of people making rosemary oil, and they brand it and they start selling, and I'm making a lot of money. So hair care, skincare, in fact wigs, is almost December now, and people want to go out and dirty their December. Imagine if you are selling packets here, you are selling wigs, affordable wigs, people will buy from you. So this is the time to start now. There's no such thing as something is oversaturated. See, your own customer will come. Just do not sleep on it. Don't sleep on it. And thank God for TikTok now. Things are now easier. Gone are the days when you have to build your followers on Instagram for you to be able to sell online, or you have to post countless times on WhatsApp for you to be able to sell online. Right now, if you make a TikTok video dedicated to your product, God help you, the algorithm is in your favor and that video goes viral, you're going to earn lots of customers. And TikTok is quite easy to say. I see a lot of businesses on TikTok. Now there's TikTok shop. You don't even have to limit yourself to just making TikTok videos. There's TikTok shop that people are now sleeping on. And Instagram too is now doing a feature that you can always list your products. So imagine just making a video dedicated to your product. And talking about making videos now is going to lead me to my third side hustle, which is content creation. And I see a lot of people that are now interested in content creation. Everybody should create content at this point, because you need to put your business out there. We are now in a digital world that not having your business online is like you have products and you just store them in your house, and you're like, oh my god, my customers will come, but you never tell your customers that you have this product. So I wonder how you are going to sell. But now the world is going digital. Everything is now digital. So content creation is making a lot of money. For example, now you're watching me on YouTube. Once you're done watching this video, and thank god if my video is monetized, I'm going to get paid just by talking to you about what I know. So imagine if you are the one doing this. Do you know how much you could have been making just from doing that? So content creation, starting YouTube. I know it sounds difficult because everybody is camera shy. What am I even going to say? I used to be like that too. Like I'd not just wake up one day and picked up my camera and say, "Hi guys, my name is Aderonke. I know how to talk to camera now." It started like little by little. If you watch my old videos, you can see how awkward I was. But thank God today I can now come on here without scripting, without doing anything, and just talk to you guys. Just stop camera. So apart from that, content creation is like a good side also, because a lot of brands are now willing to work with a lot of content creators. Brand also want to get their products in front of people that needs them. So if you're a content creator targeted towards a particular audience, say you're a beauty content creator, beauty brands will want to work with you because you have their audience, you have people they are interested in. They want them to spend their money on them. So you're going to get paid for that. Apart from that, there are just a lot of opportunities that comes with creating content. You can from there build your own brand, your digital product, sell your own merch. A lot of so side hustle number three, do not sleep on that. Personally, that is my favorite. I love creating content. Then there is number four, which is freelance writing and virtual assistant. Now, ALX has made it easier for a lot of people. Every time I am on TikTok, I'm like, hey, welcome to a day in the life of a new virtual assistant. Welcome to a day in the life. I'm just seeing, I'm like, virtual assistant again. Like, I just like the fact that people are now seeing that there are a lot of money to be made online. So if you are somebody that you know that you have a way with words, or you're just good at helping somebody keep organized, which is virtual assistant. So if you're somebody that likes scheduling emails, writing emails, helping people keep organized, you can learn virtual assistants. If you know you have a way with words, you do not mind writing long form, you just know how to just put your thoughts into writing, consider getting paid for it. Like, I don't know why a lot of people do not think like, oh, writing is such a digital skill. If you can write well, you can get paid for it. And when I say get paid, I do not mean pennies. You can get paid like awesomely well for it. I'm talking 1K dollars, 2K dollars. In fact, I have people making 7K dollars just from writing. Just do not put a limit on yourself and just own that skill. The last but not the least I'm going to talk about is social media management. A lot of people do not know that there is a lot of money from social media management. In fact, I know of a person, the social media oga, that is what she does, and that girl makes money. Like when I'm talking about money, she makes a lot of money just from helping people manage pages. And from there she has built a team. Now she now trains social media managers on how to manage pages better. She gets paid to talk about social media management. There's just a lot that people are sleeping on when it comes to social media management. So if you're somebody that you yourself, you own like three social media accounts, you have Instagram, you have TikTok, and you're always posting on it, you know what works. You can actually make a post go viral. You know how to write incredible captions. Like, you are sleeping on yourself, girl. Like, get paid for that. Teach people, help people manage pages. There's just a lot of money. Like, I just think as a woman, there's no reason why you should not be making money. While I understand that it is not as easy as it sounds, if you put it into practice and say you start just from watching this video, by this time 2025, there is no reason why you are still broke.